Telecommunications Engineers, Jobs, Interview Questions and Answers.
Good morning. Feel free to take a seat. Thank you for coming in today. Let's start by introducing yourself. Could you please tell me your name and a little bit about your background?
Good morning. Thank you for considering me for the position. My name is Brian Mills. I have a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering with a specialization in telecommunications. I've been working in the telecommunications industry for the past 3 years, primarily focusing on network design and optimization. I've had the opportunity to work with various telecommunications technologies, including wireless networks, fiber optics, and satellite communications.
That sounds impressive, Mr. Mills. Telecommunications engineering is an evolving field with new technologies emerging all the time. Could you share your understanding of the role of a telecommunications engineer and the responsibilities that come with it?
Certainly. As a telecommunications engineer, my primary responsibility is to design, develop, and maintain communication systems and networks. This involves tasks such as analyzing requirements, planning network infrastructure, implementing solutions, and ensuring their smooth operation. Telecommunications engineers also play a crucial role in troubleshooting network issues, optimizing performance, and staying up to date with the latest industry standards and advancements.
Excellent. What technical skills do you believe are essential for a telecommunications engineer, and how do you meet those requirements?
Some of the essential technical skills for a telecommunications engineer include a strong understanding of networking protocols, such as transmission control protocol, internet protocol, routing protocols, and network security. Proficiency in network design tools, such as Cisco Packet Tracer or Graphical Network Simulator 3, is also important. Additionally, knowledge of wireless technologies, such as long-term evolution or 5G, and experience with fiber optic networks are valuable assets in this field. I have hands-on experience with these technologies through my previous work, and I regularly engage in professional development to stay updated on the latest advancements.
That's impressive, Mr. Mills. Telecommunications engineers often work as part of a team. Can you tell me about your experience collaborating with others and your ability to work effectively in a team environment?
Collaboration and teamwork are vital in the telecommunications industry. In my previous roles, I have worked closely with cross-functional teams consisting of network architects, project managers, and technicians. I believe effective communication, active listening, and a collaborative mindset are essential for successful teamwork. I actively contribute my ideas, seek input from others, and ensure that everyone is on the same page to achieve project goals efficiently.
Great to hear that, Mr. Mills. Telecommunications engineers often face challenges in their work, such as handling network outages or resolving complex technical issues. Can you share an example of a challenging situation you encountered in your previous work and how you handled it?
Certainly. In one instance, we experienced a major network outage that affected a large number of users. The issue was related to a hardware failure in a critical network node. To resolve it, I quickly gathered the team, assessed the situation, and devised a plan to restore the network's functionality. We coordinated with equipment vendors, worked around the clock, and implemented temporary solutions to minimize service disruption while the faulty hardware was being repaired. Through effective troubleshooting, collaboration, and timely communication with stakeholders, we restored the network within the expected time frame.
It sounds like you handled the situation well under pressure, Mr. Mills. And how did you approach the network congestion issue, and what steps did you take to resolve it?
Thank you for asking. When faced with network congestion, my approach is to first identify the root cause and analyze the network traffic patterns. I would begin by closely monitoring network performance metrics and examining traffic flows to pinpoint the areas experiencing high congestion. Once the congested areas are identified, I would assess the network infrastructure to determine if any bottlenecks exist, such as outdated equipment or insufficient bandwidth capacity. If necessary, I would collaborate with network architects and administrators to develop a plan for network optimization and expansion. To address immediate congestion issues, I might implement quality of service mechanisms to prioritize critical traffic, such as voice or video data, over less time-sensitive traffic. This can help alleviate congestion by ensuring that essential data receives preferential treatment. Additionally, I would evaluate the network's routing protocols to ensure they are optimized for efficient traffic distribution. By fine-tuning routing algorithms and adjusting parameters like route cost or convergence timers, I can help distribute traffic more effectively and reduce congestion points. In some cases, it may be necessary to implement traffic shaping or traffic engineering techniques. These methods involve managing and controlling traffic flows through mechanisms such as rate limiting, packet prioritization, or load balancing across multiple paths. By strategically manipulating network traffic, we can alleviate congestion and optimize overall network performance. Throughout the process, I would maintain open lines of communication with stakeholders, including end users and management, to provide updates on the progress and expected resolutions. This ensures transparency and manages expectations during the congestion mitigation process. By combining these approaches, I have successfully resolved network congestion issues in the past. I believe that a holistic approach, combining network optimization, traffic management, and effective communication, is crucial for resolving such challenges.
That sounds challenging, Mr. Mills. Lastly, can you share your long-term career goals as a telecommunications engineer? How do you see yourself contributing to the field in the future?
As a telecommunications engineer, my long-term goal is to contribute to advancing communication technologies. I aspire to be involved in developing and implementing cutting-edge solutions, such as integrating emerging technologies like 5G, Internet of Things, and cloud computing into existing networks. I also envision myself taking on leadership roles where I can mentor and guide junior engineers, sharing my knowledge and experience to contribute to the growth of the industry as a whole.
That's fantastic, Mr. Mills. Thank you for sharing your insights and experiences with us today. We appreciate your time and wish you the best of luck with your application.
Thank you for the opportunity to interview. It was a pleasure speaking with you. I look forward to the possibility of joining your team and contributing to the success of the organization.
Please find the transcript of this video by clicking on the link to my website in the bio.